What's going on, guys? Today we have the Air Jordan 1 high element Gore-Tex, aka Shadow. Now here are the sneakers themselves. As you can see, beautiful colorway. I mean, the material, again, it is something else. You got suede on the back, you got suede on the front, around the lacing system. There's a bit of leather. The outsole is a very interesting design. It transforms from translucent to black, which is a really nice touch, if you ask me. Gore-Tex, they got a tag here as well, Gore-Tex, and inside we'll see some information. It says when it has to be waterproof, and then below you can see it says this product is guaranteed to keep you dry. Now, that's a big statement, guaranteed. The key here is waterproof. And I've done the test as well. I will show you guys in a minute. Now the insoles are different to each other as well. On one you got Gore-Tex, on the other one you have the Nike Air logo. The only thing I don't really like is the swoosh. I mean, they should have used a proper swoosh made from, I mean, this just looks printed. It doesn't look as high quality as, let's say, a leather swoosh that you can touch and feel. This just looks like it's part of the fabric. So yeah, I mean, I guess it is nice to have, you know, a reflective swoosh, but a bit of material wouldn't hurt. I mean, they could have used a material that's on the back, the leather, for example, or the suede around the lacing system. They could have used. But yeah, I mean, overall, a fantastic design, brilliant colorway, definitely underrated. Just design-wise, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. And the materials, you know, the level of waterproof that this has, it's just an added bonus. Now on feet, these are very comfortable. The colors are a bit more padded than your usual Jordan 1s. Now again, I mean, I can't stress this enough, just the looks, the colors, the gray, the green, the black. I think it looks beautiful. Now onto the crease test. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. This might be one of the only Jordan 1s that's perfectly safe from getting creased. And that's due to the fabrics that they have used on the toe box. The Gore-Tex fabrics, I think that is. I mean, it's crazy, man. It's waterproof and it's breathable at the same time. So it's crazy. Now here's a waterproof test for you guys, as I've said earlier. And as you can see, the water does not soak into the shoes. My feet are completely dry. The water, I mean, there's some sort of coating on it. This just shows that this sneaker is completely waterproof. I wouldn't put my feet into the water, if I'm going to be completely honest with you, because it will soak through through the lacing system. If you ask me, I'm not sure. I haven't tried it, but just rain-wise, you know, getting splashed on, you will be completely safe from water getting through. But yeah, I mean, if you ever consider getting one, pull the trigger, man. I mean, you're not gonna be disappointed, I'm telling you. Definitely my favorite release from this year so far. It is one for the collection. It is one I think everyone should have. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.